Hi, I'm Tony Fleming, and this is Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Hey, thanks for joining us on today's sexy video. Obviously, it's not me we're talking about. We're talking about some British luxury, all right? This is the way I like to buy a car. I like to buy a car with low miles, right? History, serviced, clean Carfax, all the books, documents, things like that. Original window stickers here, just to let you know what was on the car that it came with. Like, that's the way to buy a car. And then you buy a car that has some really nice features in it. For instance, like this is the S model, so you're talking close to 400 horsepower in this little car. Most people don't know this, but this is the same drivetrain that you get in a Range Rover. And a Range Rover weighs 6,000 pounds. This car does not weigh anywhere near that, so you can imagine how fast it is. It also has some crazy driving modes that are pretty awesome when you just a flick of the switch, which will change how the car sounds and reacts and what have you. We'll get into that later, but for right now, let's just take a look at some of the things that are extra cost. For instance, this paint right here, and I try not to butcher the name of it, but I believe it is called Rhodium Silver. Rhodium Silver, thank you. Whew, sorry about that. Okay, upgraded rims here as well. In the 20s, they're wrapped all around with the red calipers. Those are an extra cost too. They're listed on the window sticker. All right, and just the style of the car. I mean, seriously, you're looking at this video going, you know what, I'm just trying to make sure there's really a car there and it's as good looking as they say, and it is every bit. When you lock the doors, these handles become flush with the body. When you're driving down the road, this rear wing comes up. You can see it in the rear view mirror. And quite honestly, I'm not sure, but the back end of this car may be as good looking, if not even better looking, than the front of the car. Those twin pipes, the diffuser there, when the spoiler's up, that is one great looking back end of a car. And with the top down, it just looks so ridiculously wide. All right, come on in here and check this out. This is nice. Just like little touches like this. Why don't all cars, look how easy it is to work here. The hood's not all in your way. Just easy to work on. Anyway, supercharged, all aluminum, fuel injected. It's rated at 380 horsepower with an 8-speed automatic. Big ABS brakes. Electric power steering to give the engine more power, so it doesn't use a belt to run the power steering or the electric system, the power steering system, sorry. And just nicely finished under hood. If you wanted to go to a car show, you could open the hood here and it looks really, really nice and clean. They did a nice job packaging all this together. One small little feature I really like to point out once in a while is that the original decals are around the car. That means that, for instance, like here's the VIN number to the car. It means that these panels haven't been replaced because you can't buy these decals. And so that's a good indication that your car hasn't been crashed or it hasn't had panels replaced. And that's the kind of the way you want to buy a car. All right, let's take a peek in here. Great place for a little bit of soft luggage. So here, because you have really big wheels and tires, most today's modern cars don't have room for a full-size spare in here. So here's an inflator, right? This also has a little welcome light that came with it. This also has a battery tender, okay, because it's low mileage. Obviously, somebody didn't drive this very often. They only drove it once in a while. Just plug this into the battery tender on your wall, all right? Inside here is the actual battery itself. Easy to get to if you ever needed to, all right? And then lastly, this is a tow hook for towing, and the reason I'm pointing that out is because we put on, instead of drilling the bumper for a front tag bracket, we put on a tow hook mounted bracket. Now that costs a lot more money than a traditional front bracket of, but the front end of this car is so good looking. Look what it does to the front end. You get to see all of the cool stuff about the front end without that giant ugly tag right in the middle of it. This car looks equally as good with the top up or the top down. It's a great looking car, and it's just super fast to put it down. You can hit the traffic light. I'm not sure the exact speed that you can, but you can put it down up to, say, 35 miles an hour. So if you're at a light and you decided to go ahead and do that, you could do that. The interior is gorgeous. Look at this, man. This is kind of cool too because it that pops up. It's motorized, and so if you're not using the system, it closes itself and keeps itself down there. Total different system. This has the upgraded sound system, the Meridian sound system, right? Which is very similar to the Dolby 5.1, where it has a center channel and it wraps the music all the way around you. In here, you have a special exhaust note, so if you want the car to be a little bit louder, you can change that. If you need to jump on the phone, you want it quiet, you can also push that as well. All right. It does have start and stop technology. Some people are claiming to get close to the upper 20s for miles per gallon, almost 30 miles per gallon in an exotic sports car is pretty unheard of, and close to 400 horsepower too. So nice intuitive dash here. great gauges with an 8,000 RPM Tach and 200 mile an hour speedometer. Holy mama, 200 mile an hour speedometer. And just everything just fits well. You got your paddles here. If you want to shift it, you can as well. Or you can just get in and go for a drive, whatever you feel like doing. But you know what you do need to do? Get in and go for a drive. Hey, check out this cool little thing for night. This is bright daylight. Lights up the area around you. You know what that says? Jaguar. All right, again, we're back to the original statement was this is the way to buy a car. Low mileage, a $92,000 plus car for somewhere around half, right? With miles in the teens, and a beautiful, beautiful car. It's been loved, it's been pampered, it has a battery tender, it has great options and features. Anyway, call us 301-816-1000. We'll find a way to get this V6S, right? F-Type S in your garage. Wait till you hear this thing. It just sounds great, man.